Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to everyone. I welcome you in the social class for the grade 5th and we are learning here second lesson latitudes and longitudes. As we already know about the model of the earth, globe is a model of the earth and it's shaped like the earth. It helps us to find different places on the earth. Now we will move ahead and see here identifying 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 the adventure 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 island. Adventure means an unusual and exciting or daring experience. Unusual, exciting or daring experience is known as adventure. Adventure island. So this is it. This is the strange island which stopped at last year. Here three boys are discussing about this. So when we went sailing in that ship, Rahul pointed out an island in the atlas. Atlas, ATLAS. Atlas is a book of maps. It's called Tetper, but I like to call it the Adventure Island. You said your ship stopped at some strange island. How can you be sure that it was this line on the map? Joy asked. See, Rahul is saying that when I went to sails in the dark ships, we found a strange island. That island is Tetper, but I call that island as a adventure island. So Joy is asking that you said that it was a strange island, and how you know about that? How can you be that much sure that this island is that on the map? Rahul smiled and said, it's quite simple. The navigator, NAVIGATOR, navigator. Navigator means a person who finds the position of ship and the direction in which it should go. A person who finds the position of a ship and the direction in which it should go, navigator. Took the longitude and latitude. Longitude, LONGITUDE, longitude. Latitude, LATITUDE, latitude. Readings for the islands. I simply looked up that location in the atlas. Latitude asked Millie, longitude asked Joy. Let us read on to find out what Rahul meant about latitude and longitude now. See, finding places on the earth. As we have read in the previous classes, how globes and maps help us to find places on the earth. As we know about the globe. See, the earth is like a spinning sphere or ball. A globe, 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 is a miniature small model of the earth. If you examine a globe, you will notice that it has an axle that allows it to spin around. It has an axle it allows to spin around, to move away. In this way, a globe imitates the spinning of the earth, which rotates around an imaginary axle. This imaginary axle is called the axis of the earth. This imaginary axle is called as axis. Okay. And this axis meets the earth's surface at 2 points. The North Pole, NORTHPOLE pole, North Pole, the North Pole, and South Pole, SOUT, South, POLE, pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole. Exactly half between the two poles run an imaginary line is called equator. EQUATOR, equator. See, this imaginary line which divides earth into two equal halves, it is known as equator. This line divides the earth into two equal parts called hemispheres. HEMISPHERES, hemispheres. The region between the equator and the North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere, NORTHEMISPHER, Northern Hemisphere, and the region between the equator and the South Pole is called Southern Hemisphere. See, the region between the equator and North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere, and the region between equator and south is called Southern Hemisphere. Now we will see here about the latitudes. Latitudes, 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 latitudes. Imaginary circular lines drawn parallel to the equator are called latitudes. See, once again I am reading. Imaginary circular lines drawn parallel to the equator are called latitudes. See, these are the imaginary lines. These are the imaginary lines which are parallel to the equator, and it is in a form of circular. Yes, so these are the latitudes. These are the latitudes. These are the latitudes. So thus latitudes are imaginary lines drawn from north to south. Drawn from north to south of the equator. The equator is a latitude that passes through the center of the earth. This equator is a latitude that passes through the center of the earth. Latitudes are measured as angles north or south of the equator. Lines of latitudes to the north of the equator are given in 1 degree north to 90 degree north. Thus, there are 90 degree latitudes drawn from north of the equator. Similarly, lines of latitude to the south of the equator are given names 1 degree south to 90 degrees south. So, there are 90 latitudes drawn to the south of the equator, thus including of equator as a 0 degree. Equator will become from 0 degree. There are 181 lines of latitude. There are total 181 lines of latitudes. Now, as observing a figure 2.2, the horizontal lines are the lines of, these horizontal lines are lines of latitudes. So, as you go north to the south of the equator, the circles or latitudes become smaller, and the equator is the biggest circle. So the latitude 90 degree north and 90 degree south, the latitude 90 degree north and 90 degree south are special cases. They are no longer circular lines. So they are points corresponding to the north or the south pole. As we are having some important lines of latitudes, that is equator, equator, equator. Then we are having a Tropic of Cancer, TROPIC, Tropic of Cancer. It will come on the 23.5 degree north. And then we are having a Tropic of Capricorn, TROPIC, Tropic of Capricorn, CAPRICOR, and Capricorn. It is 23.5 degrees south. Then we are having Arctic Circle, ARCTIC, Arctic Circle, CIRCLE, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. And the Antarctic, ANTARCTIC, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south. As we are observing here, see, these are the important parallels of important lines of latitudes. See, we are having equator at 0 degree, Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 and north, Arctic Circle 66.5 and north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. Then we are having a 90 degree south pole, 90 degree north pole. So till here we will stop the lesson. And students, whatever the underlined words I have done, that is your hard words. Try to learn these hard words with the spelling and read it. And thank you. Jazakallah. Bye bye.